Hello my creative friends, Olga from Smart Art Materials here, and you remember that a couple weeks ago I posted a video creating these beauties with the Dutch pour technique and color shift paint. So I didn't realize it right away, but if I turn canvases like this makes them into quarters of really awesome flower. So I'm just gonna change the camera angle to show you what I'm talking about in a little more detail. Alright guys, so here's the idea. I want to make 2 more canvases to finish this sort of a round composition, and it's probably gonna look like a really cool flower. And this color shift paint is just amazing. So I just can't wait to get started. I have a square 10 by 10 canvas here, and as always applying the base color first. I have mixed a lot of white, so I'm ready for a lot of fun. And I just like to use my spatula to spread it around. Alright, so I think it's good. Now I'm adding my beautiful colors. So first was ultramarine and now it's a color shift turquoise. Then I add the color shift purple. And lastly, some gold. And now the fun part. This is very nice, well not this part though, but I'm gonna fix it up right away. And the most important with the Dutch pour I find is not to overwork it with a blow dryer. So need to know when to stop. Okay, so here are the other 2. That looks very good. Probably need a little bit more paint right here, but otherwise it's just awesome. Alright, I think oh, this part is just beautiful. I really liked it. Alright, so I think I should stop working on this one, and now I'm gonna do 1 more canvas. Hi guys! So here we are, few days later, all dry. So beautiful, I am absolutely in love with it. And you know this set, it makes me think of a name, We Are Different But We Are One. Because they're all so different, although I use the same colors, same technique, but each one is unique. But at the same time, they work amazing together. So these two are new, these two are from before, and I absolutely like this one. I want to bring it a little closer. So this pour worked out so well, and all these details, like those small cells, I made a couple pictures to show you a close-up, but this is amazing, and the color shift paint is awesome. I also really like this one from before. I liked all those details. And I know I say it about many of my artworks, but I'm in love with this one. And I will post pictures once it's resined. And thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for joining me today. And I am so excited to hear from you what you think about this set and also to see your experiments. All right, have a nice day and happy pouring.